ओके, आज मैं रैंट करूंगा अबाउट ओके आज मैं रैंट करूंगा अबाउट फेमिनिज्म एंड व्हाट आई फील अबाउट इट. There is this thing. I'm recently making content around feminism on Instagram, and some sort of part of that content I also upload on YouTube. But up the YouTube, but there is no uh, proper form of content. So I am planning to do some sort of shit like that, but I don't know if it will work or not. But yeah, we will try. And there is one more thing. I can't like directly look in the camera. It feels awkward. Or maybe I'm not wearing my glasses. Maybe that's why. But yeah, and I need a constant hit of caffeine throughout my camera presence. Nah, that was lie. But yeah, तो अब बार बार चाय बनाने जाऊंगा तो कैसे रिकॉर्डिंग होगी? बहाने देख रहे हो मेरे? मैं इतनी ज़्यादा चाय पीता हूँ, इतनी कौन चाय? समाज में इतनी चाय कोई नहीं पीता और इतनी चाय स्पिल भी कोई नहीं करता. That's why everybody hates me. Okay, let me drink the tea. If you know the reference, either this is बहुत खतरे वाली place, either this is most dangerous place that could exist in this universe. I was about to die right now. ऐसे इधर ये माइक I found it again फिर से 8वीं बार खोने के बाद. इस बार मैं बहाने नहीं दे सकता. कल मैं जब ऊपर आया था तो मैं अपना दूसरा कप जो मैंने बहन से चोरी किया है वो भूल गया था. बट अब हम दोनों कप लेके जाएंगे या दोनों कप भूल के जाएंगे. Because that's what we do. By the way, look at the weather. Can we focus? Can we focus? Can we focus? Not on me. On background. My phone camera quality is good, but पता नहीं इसको focus के टाइम पे मजाक सूझता है. But you can see this side. उस तरफ सूरज है. ये exposure नहीं कर सकता set. But इस तरफ you can see. What a beauty it is. Now what will we do? We will rant somewhere here. First, I need to find a proper place. Should we sit here or some sort of shit content here? Like, cause this background is awesome. I wish मैंने live stream कर ली होती, but then I can't hear, I guess, cause mic connected होता है तो वो समझता है कि we have connected earphones. So dumb phone by, and they call it smartphone. Dumbness. It's it at its peak. At its peak. Okay. Again, do you want to see me more beautiful? Yeah, maybe now you can see me beautiful. मैंने just थोड़ी सी flash on कर दी. Pretty तो मैं पहले से. I'm doing all this rant cause I know कि this is not about to upload anywhere. But if ये सब upload होने वाला होता तो मैं इधर ऐसे rant नहीं करता. मैं अपना aura define कर देता तुम लोगों के सामने. शायद and there is one more thing that I don't talk like this in my native language, Gujarati में if you speak anything मतलब कुछ भी बोलो, you sound so sweet. I sound so ऐसा in Hindi कि I want to punch someone on their face. और फिर कल मैंने एक डिबेट देखी about trans कि that person, the trans person said कि उसको people call people उसके pronouns है they them, and someone was arguing कि they them तो मल्टीपल लोगों के लिए यूज होता है. Why am I or anyone supposed to call you by they them? And then trans person gave a like really good argument. That argument was कि if someone कोई डिलीवरी वाला डिलीवरी दे के जाता है घर पे और पार्सल रख के जाता है बाहर डोर पे, तो वी से दैट दे लेफ्ट द पार्सल. A singular, we use they for a singular person, and that is really amazing argument. Even though I don't agree with they them, but that is really good argument, and I'm trying to think a counter argument of for that. I will find it, I guess, because आजकल तो what I do is find arguments and then I find counter arguments, then I find counter argument of counter argument, and then this loop I'll I just work in that loop. I'm trying to make my debate capabilities बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया, but I don't know what to do with it. Maybe मैं ड्यू चला जाऊँ, ड्यू में politics लेफ्ट विंग ज्वाइन कर लूँ, फिर उधर जाके 3-6 महीने के लिए फाइट फॉर लेफ्ट, एंड देन सडनली एक दिन शर्ट उतारो और बीजेपी का टैटू पड़ाओ. That's my secret. That's my secret. Couldn't tell anyone. Haha. And what else we can do with this debate thing is ki I know how to speak. I know how to understand. I know how to write English, but I can't pronounce English, because when there is some word that I can't pronounce, I say it like pronounce, because I can't pronounce it directly smooth way में, so I take a little bit more time to pronounce that. There is this new word I learned few days ago, and it was etymology, and भाई बहुत मुश्किल था, पता नहीं. It is maybe the reason of that happening is कि डेली बेसिस पे मैं 4 भाषाओं को चेंज करता हूँ, लाइक हिंदी most of the times, sometimes I speak English, sometimes मैं गुजराती में बात करूँ छूँ, and there is this sub भाषा, dialect of Gujarati called Kutchi. I speak in that too, so there are multiple problematic shirts. So that's why sometimes when we speak English, we get the dialect of Gujarati, Kutchi. We get pronunciation from Kutchi, and that makes your head. And maybe some mental disorders that it's working. फिर से कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोल दिया, मेरे को पता है. There is some grammatical mistake also. ये grammatical mistake वाली लाइन भी grammatical mistake थी. What like, can we call it genius or can we call it dumb square? But yeah, wow, I'm talking last 8 minutes. I can talk for like thousands of hours without anyone knowing, but वो थोड़ा मेरे को शर्म आती है, क्योंकि there are people down on the road there. We are on like 3rd floor, so there are people down on the road at me like I'm gonna kill them, but I'm not, of course. But it feels as if it feels as if I'm bothering someone without bothering them. And there is this problem in छोटे शहर, छोटे, I don't call my city a गाँव, but I don't call my city a city. It is somewhere in middle of both. So I don't know. I feel people are judgmental, but people never prove me that they are judgmental. Some individual देखा फिर से happen. Some individual interactions may I feel they are that judgmental, or sometimes when I make someone angry, they prove me that they were judgmental in the past when we were talking. But as a group मैंने कभी किसी को judgmental नहीं पाया, and despite the fact that I have like इतने बड़े बाल, people just look at me with like curiosity, never with in the mode of attack or mode of judging me in general. And I find it amusing because generally लोग कहते हैं कि सोसाइटी आपको जज करती है और सोसाइटी आपका विरोध करती है and most of matters when you try to rebel against the general norms. But मेरे अलावा लंबे बाल and this whole city, I find it बहुत कम लोग हैं. Still people don't judge me, and that is fascinating. To be honest, that is fascinating. I think the norm that people judge us is या तो बहुत छोटे गांव का या तो बहुत बड़े शहरों का. In this middle part of the, we can call it tier 2 tier 3 city, दोनों के बीच में tier 2.5